Hello.
Good
Hello,
evening, sir.
dear. Yeah, good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay. This is your first class, I think. Okay, I am using my video. Okay, please wait for 1 minute. Okay. Hello, dear. How are you? Yeah, my
I'm
name
good,
is.
sir.
Yeah, my name is Shivam Kumar. I am ex faculty of the Vedantu. I have already 3 year experience in teaching chemistry in Vedantu. Yeah. Today I will start your chemical kinetics chapter. In the chemical kinetics, write down the topic that is chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. As I think there are the mood student. Okay. Chemical kinetics. This is I will start from the starting. Chemical kinetics. Kinetics. This is the class first chapter of the class 11th. Chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. If you will see that this is a chemical chemist. This is a chemical kinetics. In the chemical kinetics, we will study about suppose any reaction is given. And after seeing the reaction, we are able to find that how much time taken for the reaction for completion. And we are suppose in the, I am saying that a reactant, the reactant have some concentration value. How much time taken to finish this concentration value? As suppose any reaction will taking place. After studying this chapter, we will able to find that how much concentration value after some specific period of the time. Write down the chemical kinetics. It is a branch of this is a branch of physical chemistry, branch of physical chemistry, which deals with which deals with rate of chemical reaction, rate of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. This is the definition, simple definition of chemical kinetics. The simple definition of the chemical kinetics is that this is a branch of physical chemistry which branch of physical chemistry which deals with the rate of chemical reaction. After that, I am explaining about what is the difference that we have studied in the earlier. In the class 11, we have studied about the chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, thermodynamics. What is the difference between the thermodynamics? In the thermodynamics, we have already studied about the chemical reaction and about the energy level. But in the chemical equilibrium, we will already study only we have to find the Kc value. But in this chapter, we will able to find for any reaction, we will able to find that how much time taken for the reaction for complete conversion. We will able to find that the time value after which reactant will be converted into the product. So this is a chemical. First one word is the chemical, second word is the kinetics. Chemical word is related to the chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Kinetics word is related to the dust. We have already studied in the class 11 physics chapter kinematics. What is the kinematics? About the movement. Kinetics words state about the movement of the reaction. Suppose the conversion of the reactant into the product. Suppose the conversion of reactant into the product is more. It means that the rate of the reaction will be more. More the movement of the reactant to the product side. So kinetics gives the idea about that how fast reaction will take place. How fast reaction will take place. How fast reaction will take place. This will give the idea about the kinetics. Suppose there are the 4 reaction given. And after studying this topic, we will able to find that which reaction is slow reaction, which reaction is the more fast reaction. We will find out from the concept of the kinetics. This is the kinetics. From the kinetics concept, we will able to find this value. Okay, write down the first topic: rate of chemical reaction. Rate of chemical reaction. Rate of chemical reaction. Here, please wait 1 minute. I am using another board. This board is not so fine. Yeah, I am writing that the first one is that the first point is that the rate of chemical reaction. Rate of chemical reaction. Rate of chemical reaction. The rate of chemical reaction. What do you mean by the rate of chemical reaction? Suppose in the physics we will study about the speed value. What the speed value state? A speed value state that total distance travel divided by the total time. Similarly, rate of reaction. Firstly, I am defining that the rate of what is the rate of reaction. How we will be able to calculate the rate of. This is the basic part of the chemical kinetics. Suppose the reaction is given that A form 2B. A form 2B. What is a state? It a state that the reaction is A to B. It means that 1 mole of A reacted, 1 mole of A reacted form 2 mole of B. 2 mole of B. When 1 mole of A reacted, it will form 2 mole of the B. This reaction state this. Means suppose I am saying that here 10 value, and in case 1, don't write this. Firstly, try to understand. After that, I will give you chance to write. Case 1, suppose this value is the 10 mole, and after time t, after time 5 minutes, the value will be equal to the 8 mole. In the case 2, suppose this initially t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 means that at the time when the reaction will start, the value of the t is equal to 0, the value of A will be equal to the 15. So the value of A is equal to 15. After time t is equal to 5 minutes, the value will be equal to the 2. A value means remaining value of A is equal to 8. Remaining value of A is equal to 2. Please comment me in the chat box which reaction is slow reaction and which reaction is the fast reaction. Reaction is slow reaction and which reaction is the fast reaction, please confirm in the chat box. Suppose this value is the 10, after 5 minutes the value will be equal to the 8. Suppose this value is 10, after the 5 minutes is equal to 2. Fast means reaction means that reactant will convert it into the product side fastly, then we say that the reaction is fast reaction. Please answer me in the chat box. Ajay, Drishti, Lokya, please answer me in the chat box. Hey, if you don't know the answer, please answer me, sir. I don't know. You are paying money to learn this concept, so you feel free to ask me doubt. There will be no comment in the chat box. Okay, I am explaining. If you will see that in this part, time t is equal to 0, this value is equal to 10. After time t is equal to 5 minutes, the value will be equal to the 8. Means here 5 2 mole is reacted in the 5 minutes. So this reaction is the very fast reaction. Case 2 reaction is the very fast reaction. This gives the idea about the rate of the chemical reaction. So write down the definition. Don't write this. This is the only that I have tried to understood this concept. Write down the definition. The rate of chemical reaction. The rate of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction means that moles of reactant reacted with respect to time, with respect to time value, with respect to time value. I will provide the handwritten note also in the e form. I will give you the handwritten. At the last I will send you the note Vedantu class note. I will send you the time, the rate of chemical reaction. The rate of the chemical reaction means that the mole of the reactant reacted with respect to the time. Suppose I am writing that this is a definition. After that, I am writing that a reaction. Some basic concept I am giving you. Suppose A is given at the 2B. A form 2B. At time t is equal to 0. This value is equal to 10 capital M. Capital M is the unit of concentration. The concentration value will be equal to mole divided by volume. Mole divided by volume. This is the unit will be capital M. Suppose at the time t is equal to 0, this value is equal to 10, this value is equal to 0. After time t is equal to 5 minutes, time t is equal to 5 minutes, this value will be equal to 5 capital M. 5 capital M. Then find average rate of chemical reaction. Average rate of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Please solve this question. Ajay, why are you unmute yourself? Please unmute yourself. Ask me doubt. If you are facing any type of the doubt, feel free to ask me. Find the average rate of the chemical reaction. What is the average rate of chemical reaction?
Sir, hi sir, sorry, I was using the restroom.
Okay, I am explaining, no doubt. Average rate of chemical reaction. Average rate. As I think there are some students who is in NRI age, I think. Average rate of chemical reaction. Average rate of chemical reaction is equal to total reactant reacted. Total reactant reacted divided by time. Divided by time value. Suppose at the time t is equal to 0. Here we will see that the time t is equal to 0. This value is equal to that value will be equal to the 5. Total mole reacted will be equal to 10 minus 5, that will be equal to the 5, and time value is equal to 0 to 5. 5 value will be equal to the 1. This value will be 1. Rate value will be the 1. What is the unit? Concentration unit is the mole second inverse. This is the unit. If you have any doubt, please ask me through the chat box. Rate of unit of rate of chemical reaction. rate of chemical reaction क्या हो जाएगा? The unit of rate of chemical reaction concentration divided by the time. What is the unit of this? Is written as the concentration, Babu. This is the short symbol of concentration. The unit of concentration is mole liter inverse. This is also known as the capital M. This is denoted by the capital M symbol. And here, this in the unit, this will be the time. So the unit will be, this will be written as the capital M. This will be equal to the capital M. So we can write that this value will be M into second inverse. It may be that the minute inverse, as the question given in the minute, then we will use in the minute. So here in the question given in the minute, so that's why we will write that the minute inverse. Drishti, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Okay, I'm giving you the another question. Another question means overall we conclude that the rate of chemical reaction, is equal to concentration of reactant reacted divided by the time taken. How much? The two things are the very important. First things are that how many moles are reacted. The second thing, how much time it taken for the reaction. I'm giving you the another question so that you will be able to answer and give you the 2 minute time. Find the rate of rate of chemical reaction chemical reaction the chemical reaction is given like that. A gives to b time t is equal to 0. This value will be equal to the 10 capital M. At the time t is equal to 10 minute, this value is not given. The value of b is given. The value of the b is given that this value will be equal to the 4. This value will be equal to the 4 capital M. Find the rate of chemical reaction. Please try. I am giving you the 2 minutes. I am giving you the 2 minutes. Please try once. After that, confirm in the chat box. A correct answer 2 by 5. As I think 2 by 5 is the correct answer. If here we will write that suppose in this question 2 mole of the B form, then 1 mole of A reacted. For 1, suppose I am writing for the 1, this value will be equal to 1 by 2. Here how many mole form? 4 mole is formed. If 40 mole is formed, means 1 by 2 into 4, this value will be equal to 2. Means 2 mole of A is reacted. If 2 mole is reacted, then what is the value of A remaining? This value will be equal to 8. After that, if I am calculating that, if I am calculating that the rate of chemical reaction, the rate of chemical reaction value will be equal to 8 divided by 10. 4 by 5 will be the correct answer. Miss, sorry if I am writing that. No, dear. There is some mistake as I think. 2 mole of A is reacted, 1 mole of 2 mole of B form, 1 mole of A is reacted. If 1 mole of B form 1 by 2 value, if I have written that the 4 mole of B form, if 4 mole is B form, then 2 mole is reacted, though this value will be equal to 8. If I am writing that 8 divided by the, this is the 8 value, means mole reactor value will be equal to, the 10 minus 8. That the 2 mole reactor time will be taken as the 10. Time will be taken as the, please wait for a minute. There will be some, how many mole of the, how many mole of A is reacted? A is reacted at the 2 mole. We have already calculated that A reacted 2 mole. If A is reacted 2 mole, then 8 mole will be remaining. So the rate of chemical reaction will be equal to the mole reacted. How many mole reacted? That will be equal to the 2. 10 minus 8, that will be equal to 2 divided by the time taken. That will be equal to the 10. Answer will be the 1. You have to answer the respect to the reactant. What will be the answer? Answer will be the 1 by 5. Any doubt? Please ask me. 2 by 5. As I think you have calculated 2 by 5 value. Means this is the formation of B with respect to the BDF. But I am asking you for the rate of chemical reaction. You have to write with respect to the reactant only. Then this value will be equal to 10. Means how many mole? 2 mole is reacted. 2 mole is reacted. Then 2 value mole reacted divided by the total time taken 10 value. The answer will be the 1 by 5. If you have any doubt, please ask me. 2 by 5 is the rate with respect to the B. If you are writing that the disappearance, I am asking you for the A value. So this will be the 1 by 5. Write down the next subtopic. Relation between reaction, rate of reaction and rate of, what is the relation? If you have to write that the relation between the rate of formation, rate of appearance, and the rate of the disappearance. What are the relation between these? So if I am writing that the relation, means suppose any reaction is the given. Any reaction is the given. Reaction is A gives B. A gives. We can say that if we find the rate of chemical reaction,